Yun.
So, good morning everyone. Today I'm gonna teach you how to join with my friends and craft world. First, I'm gonna on my hotspot. Make sure that your friend connect to your hotspot.
In Wi-Fi.
When I'm gonna create a world, she gonna join me when you see it, or she gonna create some world. Create. When she create, I can join him because she connect to my hotspot. Or I am the one will create. I'm gonna connect to his hotspot on your hotspot. I'm gonna on my hotspot connect to him. Yo, I'm gonna connect to her hotspot. I'm gonna connect. His name of her hotspot is Redmi because his phone is Redmi. Say hello there.
Oh, hello. I didn't know this.
And when I'm gonna play, create some word.
Come back from the dead, baby.
She join me.
Yes, sir.
Or she gonna create her word and I'm gonna join him. She create it. I'm just
Hey.
when you see that I join him.
Watch this real quick. Wait, no, stop. Wait.
And that's all how to join. Just make sure that your friend connect to your hotspot or
Yes.
your friend connect into your hotspot.
Come here. Oh shit. Oh no. I forgot. Well, not today, buddy.
And that's all. Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah.